Jeff Keenan here in Middletown, Connecticut. I just got back from Finest Films, and they put paint protection film on the bumper of the new Tesla Model 3 Highland Performance. I want to tell you a story about paint protection film. So soon after I took delivery of my 2022 Tesla Model 3 Performance, I was just driving down the highway and some debris flew up from the car in front of me and scratched up the front fender. It was too deep to buff out, so I had to get the front bumper painted. That cost me about $500. I was afraid this would happen again, so I went out and got full frontal paint protection film. This cost around $2,500. This time I didn't go as crazy. I just wanted to protect the front bumper, so I ordered some paint protection film. I tried to do it myself, and I ended up ripping the film. It was an epic fail. I went to Finest Films, and they did a great job on the bumper paint protection film, and they even did the headlights for me. I looked over my old car after 25,000 miles, and most of the hits were on the front bumper. The film protected it well. And the guys at Finest Films did a great job. They cleaned the car first. There's no bubbles or debris underneath the film. And they got me in the same day I called, so really good, really professional guys. The sides of the car from Stone Chips, I put on the BestEvMod Mudfalps front and back. I also applied the BestEvMod paint protection film in front of the rear wheels on the fender. There you go, front end PPF just on the bumper this time. Let's see how this holds up. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos about Tesla, Rivian, Wi-Fi, and tech products.